Today I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro 11. Okay, let us get started. Here I have a sample document. This is my pretend report on puppies, and I want to insert a picture of a puppy here to help enhance my report. I also have the puppy picture that I want to insert here handy. Alright, so this is how you do it. First, open your document using Adobe Acrobat Pro 11. Now click on the Content Editing menu to show all of the tools that you can use to edit the content of your document. Okay, now select the Add Image option. Find the image that you want to insert into your document. Click on the image to select it, and then click on the Open button. Now move your mouse with the image attached to where you want to put the image in your document. Once you have decided where you want to put the image in your document, left click on the mouse to place your image. Notice that my image is a little too big here. To adjust image size, left click and hold on one corner of the image and drag the image to shrink or expand, like so. Sometimes you have to change the view of your document to a smaller percentage so that you can see the whole document to better place your picture. To change your document's view, click on the plus or minus button here. I will click on the minus button because I want to shrink my document for a better view. You can also move the image by left clicking on the center of the image, and while holding down the left click button, move it to where you want it to be. If you want to further format the picture, like rotating the picture for example, you could do that by either right-clicking on the image and selecting the appropriate format, or you can go over here and find the same tool under the Format option. Once you're done, click anywhere on the document to deselect the image. Then save. There you go. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and videos. Until next time, take care.